The 7-bench judges led by Martha Koome already began the pre-trials on Tuesday. This follows Monday's ruling on 2 affidavits that were struck out. In the previous rulings, the judges ruled out Odinga's involvement in the chaos that happened at the National Tally Center at the Bomas of Kenya when the chairperson of the Electoral Commission wanted to declare the president-elect. The 77-year-old veteran politician who was running for the 5th time in the presidential election and was backed by incumbent President Uhuru Kenyatta and his party lost the election by some 230,000 votes, 50.49% to 48.85%. In a statement to the court, Ruto said Odinga had in the past systematically challenged the results of the presidential election and fomented national crises after losing. He accused the former Prime Minister of trying his luck again by forcing a new candidacy through judicial means. Mr. Ruto said it is against the public interest to keep the country in a perpetual election campaign, adding that the uncertainty would rather damage Kenya's deteriorating economy, which is already struggling with high inflation. According to the 72-page petition, the Odinga camp claims that 140,028 ballots were not counted and that this significantly affects the final results insofar as none of the candidates reaches the constitutional threshold of 50% plus 1 votes to win the election in the first round. The judges must rule on this petition by September 5th. If they order the cancellation of the election, a new election must be held within 60 days. Odinga had called the results announced by the Electoral Commission, the IEBC, a travesty. After his previous defeats, he had already filed legal challenges in 2013 and in 2017. In 2017, the Supreme Court invalidated the presidential election due to irregularities and ordered a new election, a first in Africa. In 2017, Odinga had rejected the result without going to court, triggering the worst post-election crisis in the country's history, with more than 1,100 deaths in inter-ethnic clashes. Odinga and his running mate Martha Karua, August 22nd, filed a petition to the country's top court challenging the outcome of the August 9 election.